today's video, we're making steaks with a homemade mushroom sauce. Let's get to cooking. But before we get to cooking, we gotta light the Weber. Get my little dude going. Put that sucker right there. Boom. And I know I'm in a cutoff, and I'm freaking cold. I know you can probably hear that. Freaking geese out there. Alright, so these are the steaks we got. These little fat fillets right here. This is the rub we're going to use. W sauce for the sauce. If you haven't tried this, try it. Mushrooms, beef stock, a little bit of cream, shallots, garlic, and tiny bit of thyme. This stuff to me is kind of strong, so I like to go easy on it. Let's get these babies rubbed up. Alright, so before we get started, I'm gonna crack a beer. Now we're gonna be rubbing these with SPG, so I'm gonna hit them pretty good. We're gonna cook, I thought about doing reverse sear, then I thought I should probably sear these and then move them to reverse sear, just so I just freaking nail it. And don't be afraid to hit these. Big piece of meat. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sear them and then reverse sear. Direct, then indirect. So, and then we just pick up the extra. Alright, as soon as the coals come up to temp, we're gonna get these things on, then we're gonna make the sauce. And I have a special surprise mashed potato at the end. You're gonna thank me later for this one. Yeah, you'll see. Let's go. She's coming along. Hurry up, baby. We're hungry. Alright, now we dump. Woohoo! Fire's going. Direct, indirect. Hey Siri, set a timer for 45 seconds. There's 45. Flip them. Looking good. One more flip. They are looking good. And how about this view? That's a lake down there. All the freaking geese on the island over there. Jeez. But it's beautiful, and I freaking love it. All right, let's check them out, see what we got. They are looking good, man. Real good, oh yeah. Put it right there. Right there. I'm probably gonna go a little bit close to it. Now, we put the lid on. All right, so from here, I'm just gonna let them come up to temp. I'm gonna pull about 130, 132. That's my plan. I'm gonna wrap them in foil, let them rest, and then I'm gonna make the sauce. But let me show you my outdoor little thing I got going on here. It's way more than I used to have, but I don't know, it's pretty nice. Let me show you. All right, so I got my Traeger. We got a little pizza oven thing going on over here. Weber built in, use that all the time. Flat Rock, the Cajun Bayou griddle. Love this thing. This thing's awesome. Outdoor seating area. It's a beautiful view. We absolutely love this. All right. I just temped this little dude. He is done. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Come on now. Now this one, we still got some time. So let's put the lid back on. And I want you to notice I did close these vents off a little bit. I'm trying to keep the heat in the Weber. So that's why I did that. All right. Number 2, done. Right there. Ooh, come on. All wrapped up and ready to rest. Now let's make the sauce. I got 2 cups of mushrooms here. You can use whatever you like. So what I'm gonna do right here is I wanna sweat these out. I don't wanna season them just yet because there's gonna be a lot of liquid in here in just a few minutes. This is where they get their flavor. Do not skip this step. All right, so now that we got all the moisture out, we got them toasted, I'm gonna add a little bit of W sauce just to deglaze the bottom of it. If you haven't tried this stuff, try it. This is fantastic. And garlic. Now, after the aroma starts coming out, they start to get a little bit translucent, we are going to add our beef stock. Now we're going to turn this down, let it simmer for right around 5 minutes. Go ahead and put the lid on. Look at that simmer. That's what I'm talking about. Just nice and low. Smells freaking amazing already. Alright, now we add our heavy cream. You're just going to want to thicken this up to your desired thickness. If it gets too thick, don't worry. You can add a little more beef stock to thin it out. Let's add the thyme. Now we just keep stirring. She's thickening up nice. Boy, it smells so freaking good. Alright, at the beginning of this video, I told you I had a secret at the end. It's kind of a cheat code, it's kind of a hack, but Bob Evans mashed potatoes. I know, I don't need to hear it, but these are freaking good. I'm gonna put these in the microwave, cut up some steak, and then we eat. Ooh, look at that sucker. Look at that. Come on. You see how we did? Freaking nailed it. A little bit of our mushroom gravy. Those mushrooms, ooh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Oh man. We gotta get some mashed potatoes with this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Hell yeah. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe. And don't forget this recipe. If you want it, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print it off, make it for yourself. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Like that. That's okay.